Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this video, we will be learning how to log in Notion AI account. To log in to Notion AI account, first you have to go to Notion's website or download the Notion application from the App Store or the Play Store depending on the device you are using. Here, I have already installed Notion application, so tap Open the application. Once you open the application, you will see the option to log in. You can log in using your Google account, your Apple account, or using single sign-on. You can also use your email address. I'll be using my email address, so tap on Continue with email. Here, enter your email address. Then tap on Continue. Now, enter your login password. If you have forgotten your password, you can tap on Forgot your password and then reset your password first. Now enter your password. Once you enter your correct password, tap on Continue with password. And here you go, you have successfully logged into Notion AI account. Now, you will be able to use this application to enhance your productivity and creativity. That's it for today's video. Hope you guys find this tutorial helpful. If yes, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon so you never miss out to our videos. Goodbye till then.